Alright. 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 Yeah. What's up? Alright. Okay, this is what I got. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut and trim. Because I already mixed it. So hold up. Alright. Now I'm gonna cut and trim. Like that. And then. Like so. Like that. Play it back.
Yeah.
Alright. And now. Like that. Boom. And dang, I made a long beat. I made the beat long. Yeah. Boom. Boom.
Yeah.
And then like that.
Yeah.
Alright, so I did that. Alright. File. Export. Wave file. And then scroll up. Scroll down until I find my document folder. Right here. And I name it. Alright, let me put my camera down. Hold on. Alright, so backspace. And then I'm gonna be like beat. Like that. That's how I spell it. Beat 1. Trying to be original. And then save. Start. Or abort. 66. Boom. Almost forgot to do that. And it says, one love. That's what one means. One love. Alright, right here. Play it back. Open in Media Player Classic. MPC-HC times 64. Or should I say X64? Okay.
Yeah. Something old in the studio. Yo.
Let me exit out that real quick because I'm using Windows Media Player. So
yeah. Something old in the studio. Yo, it's really how it go. In the studio, on the beat, straight to the flow. Hey, that's how the story go. I suppose, yo, this is what it is. My life is a woe. That's why I rap. I'm not whack. I think about it. I know that I'm not crap. Yo, I'm staying positive as long as I live. I meant what I said. I meant what I did. Oh, mo, yeah. I'm a rap. Ooh. I'm a rap star. I'ma go hard on the beat, instrumental. Yo, I go crazy though. I don't sleep on the pillow, but I'm sweet like Jello. Hello, this is what I'm saying. I'm on my knees praying.